Alright guys, welcome to CNT Automotive. I'm Chris. Today we're working on a 2005 Nissan Murano 3.5 liter V6. We just changed the oil pan gasket. It started raining on me, so I wasn't able to do a full-blown video yet. So I just kind of want to walk you guys through the steps that I took. First, I got underneath the vehicle. I jacked it up. I drained the fluid out. Let me grab a light. I drained the oil out of it using the drain plug. The oil pan is literally right here, right as soon as you go underneath the vehicle. And I used the oil drain plug there. Then there's bolts that go all the way around, the 10mm bolts. I took all of those out and I hit the pan with a mallet, a rubber mallet, which allowed the pan to give free this here, which allowed the pan to give free due to the aftermarket gasket that it had on there. Looks like somebody already used some RTV once before to put a gasket on there, and that's blew out, causing it to leak. Other than that, if you come on inside here, there is a panel right here that's usually there. If you take this one out, that clip out, undo the oil filter, you can pull that off, change that very simply. Once you do all that, you just put it back together and you're done. Make sure that you clean off the oil pan and make sure that you got a good clean surface to go back on with. I prefer to use RTV. It seals a little bit better. It gets a little bit longer than them factory gaskets. Other than that, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave those below, and we will do our best to answer them. If you have any videos that you would like to see us do, please make us aware, and we will do our best to try to get those done for you. Have a good day, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe.